this. What do we got in here? Oh. Pretty excited. Here it is. DJI Mavic Air. And I got a red one. So how do I open this? Alright, let's get into this sucker. Looks like that's... There she is. Small little case here, and inside is my brand new drone. Looking forward to that. I got the Fly More combo, so I should have, this is probably batteries, other good stuff. Controller. Nice. Here's my batteries and extra batteries. And looks like that's the charger. What's in here? And propeller protectors and documentation. We'll go back in. Pretty excited about this. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's how she works. And this big box is the waterproof case. Made in Canada. Alright. Hey guys, here it is, my new drone. I feel like a kid, I couldn't be more excited right now. Let's open this thing up and show you what it looks like. I have you guys to thank for this. My channel's been doing very well lately, and about 7 or 8 months ago I monetized my channel, and I make a couple $100 a month. Some months I make close to $500. So what I've decided to do is reinvest that income into the channel. And this is my newest purchase, a DJI Mavic Air. Pretty excited about it. DJI makes some of the best drones out there from the reviews I've watched, and this is one of the smallest drones they have. So it should be pretty practical to go on canoe trips or backpacking trips with me. It's a little bit heavy, maybe about a pound or so. And but it should be great on trips, and I hope to make better videos. So I just want to say thanks guys. I've got a lot to learn here, but because you watch, I can afford this, and again, I'm going to try and make better videos.
are.
So, right out of the box, I found the DJI Mavic Air really easy to use. It's very, very stable in the air. Video controls take a little bit of getting used to. I found it very, very stable. If you want to pause it in the air, it acts like a tripod. It's so stable. It's going to be great for taking shots. I found it very easy to fly. Gives you some great views. But you want to make sure you don't adjust the direction very much. It gives the viewer a bit of a jerky motion, so in future videos I'll watch that. And it's going to give me a great view over the forests and landscapes that I travel. Hopefully I'll get to show you a different perspective of some of the places I go. Unfortunately, most of the foliage is gone this year. We missed the peak season about 2 weeks ago. Should have ordered the drone a little bit earlier. There's my property.